How to reset TikTok For You page. That's what I will show you in this video. But before we begin, make sure to subscribe to the channel and ring the bell to get notified whenever a new video is uploaded. With that said, let's get started. Now the process is very easy and simple, and it consists of two steps. The first step is to remove and delete and get rid of all of the data that TikTok has gathered and in which it is basing our For You page for us. So TikTok gathers some data from using it, and based on that data it shows you videos related to the data and the information he gathered. So let's first go ahead and clean it and delete all of those data. Go ahead and open up TikTok.
If you're homeless,
And the first thing you need to do is click on the search icon at the top right corner of the screen, and let's delete all of these searches right here. Once you do that, go back,
just buy a house.
navigate to our profile right here, and once you are here, click on the three lines at the top right corner, then click on settings and privacy. And here let's scroll down till you find the section that says cache and cellular. From there, click on free up space, and here you need to clear the cache, which is the first option. And once you do that, the first step is done. Now into the second step, which consists of teaching TikTok. Now, as you know, TikTok is an algorithm and it serves you videos based on your activity. So it gives you more of the videos you like and less of the videos you don't like. So right now we need to teach TikTok to give us certain types of videos and not give us other types of videos. And also it gives you videos similar to the ones you reacted to, comments on, you watch them long enough, etc. So keep all of that in mind. Now let's go ahead and teach TikTok. I will show you how to teach it to serve you more of the videos that you liked. So say for example, I love these motivational success videos, so I will like it. I will also watch the video long enough, and let me
تدري وش أبسط مثال؟ قفل.
this is another video about success. As you can see, immediately it serves me another video the same type. So let me click this. Maybe I will watch the video long enough till the end.
توقف من مدة.
Maybe also I will comment on the video. I will save it maybe. These are all things that teaches TikTok. You can also follow the account. These all things that teach TikTok to serve you more types of these videos. Like you can in just 10 or 20 minutes reset your whole For You page. And say for example, I have found a video that I don't like, say this one right here, and I don't want to see these type of videos. I only want to see the motivational success videos. What I will do is I will click and hold on the video, and as you can see it gives me this list right here in which I will click on not interested, because as you can see TikTok told me that they will show me fewer videos like those ones. Say for example I don't like this one too, I will just click not interested.
Excuse me, how much is it?
And as you can see, you will not be seeing those type of videos. You will only see the success motivation. As you can see this one right here, this is about the rich people stuff. I will, as I said, watch the video maybe till the end. If I like,
Or
I will like it, I will follow the account, I will leave a comment, I will save it, maybe I will share it, etc. And by doing this few times, you will teach the TikTok algorithm what you want to see, and you will reset your For You page easily. So that was it for this video. That's how you can reset your TikTok For You page. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section down below. With that said, see you in the next video.